So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your hair to stay up like this using only one product. One and only one product. If that's something you want to learn, then keep on watching. If not, you can still watch it to be entertained. Alright, let's get to the video. But there's a little technique I'm going to show you so you can wear your hair up without having a lot of product in it. We're just going to use that one. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, I'm just going to blow dry my hair. And since we're going to wear it up, you want to blow dry your hair up. That way you're kind of training your hair to stay up. So let's go. I like to kind of do this motion and pull my hair up and then I blow dry. As you can see, I focus on one side first and then I move on to the other side. I want to make sure this side is already dry. So, and then you point the blow dryer to the roots, not necessarily the ends. So this is the way that will help it go up. As you can see, it is kind of going in that direction. There's no product in there now, but my hair is still wet, so we're going to continue doing this. Main trick is in the blow drying. So you want to have the blow dry on the roots. It's almost dry. It's still damp a little bit, so. So my hair is pretty straight. I could skip flat ironing, but if you have wavy hair or curly hair, this is the next step would be flat ironing. I'm going to demonstrate, even though my hair is pretty straight, I'm still going to use a flat iron to demonstrate to you guys for the people that don't have straight hair. Sounds like a good plan. I like to put some kind of oil in my hair before flat ironing, which I already have. There's so many that I like, so use the one that you have or you like. I'm just waiting for my flat iron to warm up. Alright. Oh, it's beeping, so that means it's ready. Alright. Since we're doing it up, so you know the drill, you just flat iron up. Just go up like that. Go from the bottom to top, bottom. Don't try not to do the same part twice. That's like good enough. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want it kind of straight, depending on the type of hair you have. So I'm happy with the straightness that's going on right now. Okay, so that's that. The product that we're going to use to help us keep the hair up, and also I constantly do this with my hair, I play with my hair to wear it up, so that may have something to do with it too. So try that too. I don't know, every time you touch your hair, do it go up. Maybe that would work. Maybe it won't. Or maybe she was born with it. Who knows? So we're going to be using Hot Sexy Hair Hairspray, Control Me. Okay, so I love this hairspray because it doesn't make my hair feel crunchy, and it says keep styles for up to 72 hours. So this is the only hair product we're going to be using today. So what you want to do, you're gonna hold your hair up like this, like so, and spray this part. You just put enough there that you need. Of things we know. And see how it is? Like how up this is compared to this side? We're gonna do it to this side too. So, spray. I'm gonna do the front too because you don't want the front to fall down. If you don't want it to fall down. Or if you don't put it, then you're gonna have movement in the front. But since the purpose of this is up, I'm gonna spray the front too. So just the... And there you have it. How easy was that? Seriously? How easy was that? We only used one product and we just used a blow dryer and a flat iron. If you want to style the ends, then you can use any kind of hair wax or hair paste, anything to play around with the ends. Oh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you try this, please tag me in your pictures on Instagram or DM me your pictures so then I could see whether it worked for you or not. And if you enjoy my videos, subscribe to my channel so then you get notified when I post videos. And if you don't enjoy my content, then you can always move on. But you'll be missing out. So this is the only product we used. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and now I am out of here. Bye guys.